Hi everyone, today I'm going to share 3 simple steps to make a perfect dosa batter. Step 1. Wash rice and dal multiple times. So to a vessel I'm adding parboiled rice, that is idli rice, and the sona masuri rice, raw rice. And in another vessel I'm adding urad dal and fenugreek seeds. I'm going to wash them multiple times. So you wash, discard the water, then again wash it. So like this 3 to 4 times at least wash the rice and dal. The water has to be clear like this when you're going to pour the water for soaking the rice and dal. Next step, soak and grind them separately. See how the water is so clear when you add the water for soaking. So I'm going to soak them for a minimum of 4 to 5 hours. Next I'm going to grind first the urad dal. Today I'm using a mixie to grind the dal and rice. If you want you can even use the stone grinder. So the urad dal is ground first. I have ground it to a creamy consistency like this. Next I'm going to grind the rice. Remember that you can use the water that you have used for soaking the dal and the rice to grind the idli dosa batter. Look at this, the rice batter. This is the consistency. Next, we're going to mix the rice and dal batter. So the most important point here is use your hand to mix the batters. So I'm going to add sea salt to the batter. And I'm also going to add sesame oil. So this is optional, but this is something I learned from my mom-in-law. Adding sesame oil improves the taste of the dosa batter. So add the sesame oil and mix it with the hand at least for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, cover and rest the batter. So the batter will take at least 6 to 8 hours to ferment. During winters I cover it with the shawl. Now see, the batter is beautifully fermented. Perfect. So it is risen up so beautifully. And now my dosa batter is ready. So here is the best part. With this batter you can make paniyaram, you can make Uttapam, you can make masala dosa, you can make paper roast dosa, you can make plain Uttapam, you can even make idlis. They turn out so amazingly well and it's super tasty. So do try out. I hope this video was useful. Do share it with your friends. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.